What's going on, everybody? It's Nico Moreno here, and in today's video what I'm going to be teaching you is how to create a simple ManyChat cheat sheet funnel, basically a lead magnet funnel to get a ton of leads for whatever it is that you're offering as your freebie. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that using a chatbot. It's super simple, and then you can deliver your free lead magnet and you can get them subscribed to your YouTube channel, joining your Facebook group, and doing a whole bunch of stuff, doing a whole bunch of other stuff like pixeling them on Facebook, all in one foul swoop. Okay, so you can do this in just a couple minutes, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. All right, so first off, if you are not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would absolutely appreciate it, and every single one of you means so much to me. Also, second thing is, if you want to get the cheat sheet, so what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be walking you through me actually creating the cheat sheet funnel to get a new Facebook ads targeting checklist. Okay, so if you want to get this free cheat sheet, then what you're going to do is you're going to actually click the link. There's going to be, if you're watching this on Facebook, go ahead and click the link above in the description, and you'll actually be able to go through this flow and you can download the free Facebook ads checklist. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, the link will be down in the description. So if you want this checklist that I'm going to actually be showing you exactly how I'm going to be building all this, then go ahead and make sure to click the link so that you can download it. It's completely for free, and it's going to teach you exactly how to target your dream customer on Facebook ads, even if you're a complete beginner. All right, so let's get started with actually creating this, basically this cheat sheet or lead magnet funnel using ManyChat. All right, so if you guys don't already have a ManyChat account, go ahead, set that up. It's completely free. You can get the pro account, which is what I use. It's just about $10 a month, so still pretty cheap. But you can also get started with the free plan today. So what I'm going to be showing you again is how to just build out a simple flow to deliver your lead magnet, all right, and to get people subscribed to your bot, which is really the valuable part. So what I'm going to be doing here is we're going to head on over. I'm inside my ManyChat account, and I'm over here on Growth Tools. So once you click Growth Tools, you just create a new growth tool. And what I've done is I'm going to use Messenger Ref URL. This is the one that I always use. So I always recommend that you use Messenger Ref URL because it's just a link and it's super versatile and you can post it anywhere across the internet and it starts a conversation with the bot. All right. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to name it Facebook Ads Targeting Checklist Freebie. Cool. And again, remember, if you want this freebie, then go ahead, click the link down in the description above or below this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, so let's save this, make sure it's set to active, and then save it. And you want to just give it a title. Nobody's going to see this except you. It's just to remember what this is all about. Then we're going to click edit on the opt-in message. So what I'm going to do here is, while it loads, so basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click here. I'm going to edit the copy here just a little bit. I'm going to say welcome first name. I like to do a lot of emojis because it just adds some personality and I just think it makes it more fun. So welcome first name. Thanks so much for requesting your free Facebook ads targeting checklist. Click below now to download it for free. And then we're just going to put a little bit of emojis. Or you know what, I'm going to add a little bit more copy. I'm going to say this cool little cheat sheet take you from 0 to hero fast. Click below to download it for free, and then I'm going to say right here, I'll say check, and then I'll say gimme. Cool. So that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to do. Oh, also, I'm going to actually add another text thing. I'm going to say, if you ever, or I'll just say to unsubscribe, text stop. I use this verbiage here because it's really, really short, and it tells people exactly what to do if they want to unsubscribe. Instead of doing the default copy that ManyChat gives you, I just think it's like too long and wordy. So I always just use that because it's simple and it's quick and it works. So now all we need to do is for the button, we're going to do open website. So what you want to do is you want to like download, if it's like a direct link to your cheat sheet, or if you have your cheat sheet like hosted on a website or something like that, you just want to grab the URL. So I'm going to go over here. This is the page where people can download it for free. So they're basically going to be sent here. So I'm going to grab that URL. I'm going to paste it right in here. And then I'll just click done, and it's all set. So that's all they have to do to actually go over and get it. And now the reason that I'm pushing them over to like a web page instead of just giving them the link directly is because they're also going to be pixeled. Okay, so I definitely want them to get pixeled so that later on when I run Facebook ads to this audience, it's going to be much cheaper, of course, because I'll be able to run retargeting ads instead of just cold traffic. All right, so that's another little strategy there. We'll talk more about the Facebook pixel in another video on another day. But that's all we need to do here. And what I'm going to do next, though, so let's click publish. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm also going to set up an automation. So I'm going to, sequences. So I'm going to do FB ads, targeting, checklist, follow-up. So if you guys have ever done any sort of like email marketing or even chatbot follow-up, the fortune is in the follow-up. All right, so not everyone's going to take action on the very first message, but you definitely want to create a good follow-up sequence to just catch all the people who don't actually take action the first time. All right, so what I'm going to do here is create a quick sequence, and for right now I don't have a whole lot of stuff like built out that I want them to do later on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to also invite them. I'm going to say, hey, first name, also be sure to join our free FB coaching group and subscribe on YouTube for free daily trainings. See you there. And so the reason for this is because, now that we've got them subscribed to our bot and we're giving them a ton of free value with the cheat list, we also want to get them just like indoctrinated into our world and get them onto other social media platforms too. So we're also going to push them to the Facebook group. So I'm going to say, join FB group. And let's put a finger pointing that way. And because, now that they're still hot, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this for just a couple minutes after they opt in, but they're still hot, they're still interested, and you want to just like get them taking more and more actions with you and get them really indoctrinated into your world. All right, so I'm going to do open website for this one too, and here is the link to, let me go to the Facebook group. So here's the link to the Facebook group. So I'll put that right here, and then they can request access to join. And then I'll also do, let's see, subscribe on YouTube. Let's see, I'll just say sub on YouTube because I also want to put a finger. And you only get a limited number of characters. So here is my YouTube URL that gets them to my channel. So I'm going to put that in here. Cool, and that's it. So we're going to publish that, and then let's just go back to the sequence. I'll turn that on. I'm going to give it a more descriptive name so that I know. So sub on YouTube and join B group. And then I'm also, final thing is I want to make sure that this sends 5 minutes after they subscribe to the sequence. Okay, so that's how you do that, just set it up. And then final step, what we're gonna do here is let's hop back over to the growth tool. So let me go to growth tools. We're going to go back here. And in order to make sure that they actually are subscribed to the sequence, we're going to put that in right here. Oops. So FB ads, cool. Oops, I'm going to following, whatever. Save. And that's it. So it's active. And all we need to do is, so this is the link right here that you're going to get people into to give people your cheat sheet. So you can say, again, you're going to say like, you know, hey, do you want this awesome, cool free cheat sheet? Click the link right here. All right. And this is a link that you're going to give them. Now, what I like to do instead is, this is a little bit ugly. So I'm going to go ahead and actually do a bit.ly link. So let's just paste this link right in here. And then I'm going to make it look a little bit better. So I'm going to say FB targeting checklist. Let's see if that's taken or not. Save. Cool. Okay. So then I just copy that. And then this is the link that I'm going to give people if they want to subscribe to my freebie. So again, just walking through it real quickly, what's going to happen is when people click this link here, they are going to get sent the first message. This is the opt-in message. They're going to get sent, hey, welcome, Nico. Thanks so much for requesting this. This cool little cheat sheet will take you from 0 to hero fast. Click below to get it. And then this gimme button takes them here where they can download the cheat list right here. And it'll also prompt them to do some other stuff. Again, they're pixeled, so I can run ads to them for much cheaper later on. And then we're also going to add them automatically to the follow-up sequence, which, oops, automation is right over here. And oops, that's not even the right one. Sequences, this one. And this is going to send to them 5 minutes after they have opted in. And we're going to get them again with the YouTube subscribe link and the join the Facebook group link. All right. So thanks so much, guys. I hope this was super valuable for you to just see how you can create a really quick, simple cheat sheet or freebie funnel using ManyChat. And this is extremely valuable because ManyChat subscribers are much more responsive and they take action much more than just a standard email list. So that's exactly why I love it so much. So again, if you were watching this video and you want this free Facebook ads targeting checklist, then go ahead. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the link down in the description to grab it 100% for free. And if you're watching this on Facebook, go ahead and click the link in the description up above to get this amazing Facebook ads targeting checklist completely for free. All right. Thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate you watching here today. And it's been Nico Moreno here, and I will see you guys next time.